Did you know that too much sugar consumption can have detrimental effects on various aspects of your health and well-being? From physical health to mental clarity, understanding the signs of excessive sugar intake is crucial for making informed dietary choices and maintaining an overall healthy lifestyle. That's why in this video, we've compiled a list of the top 10 signs that your body gives you when you're rehabbing too much sugar. By being aware of these signs, you can take proactive steps to reduce your sugar consumption and improve your health. So let's dive in and explore these signs. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button. Thank you, and let's begin. Fatigue and low energy. One of the most common signs of excessive sugar intake is persistent fatigue and low energy levels. When you consume large amounts of sugar, your body experiences rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels followed by crashes. These energy dips can leave you feeling exhausted, sluggish, and lacking motivation. To combat this, it's essential to monitor your sugar intake and opt for complex carbohydrates and balanced meals that provide sustained energy throughout the day. Brain fog and difficulty concentrating. Another sign of excessive sugar consumption is brain fog and difficulty concentrating. When you consume a lot of sugar, it can impair cognitive function, making it challenging to focus, remember things, or make decisions. The constant energy highs and lows caused by sugar can also contribute to feelings of anxiety and irritability. To improve mental clarity, it is important to reduce your sugar intake and ensure your brain receives adequate nutrients by consuming a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Blurred vision. Blurred vision can be a sign of excessive sugar intake due to the impact of high blood sugar levels on the eyes. When there's too much sugar in your bloodstream, it can cause the lenses in your eyes to swell, leading to blurred vision. Additionally, prolonged high blood sugar levels can damage the blood vessels in the retina, which can further contribute to vision problems. Managing your sugar intake and keeping your blood sugar levels within the normal range can help prevent and alleviate blurry vision associated with excessive sugar consumption. Frequent urination. Frequent urination is your body's way of trying to flush out excess sugar. When you consume too much sugar, your kidneys have to work harder to filter and absorb the additional sugar in your blood. If your body can't process all the sugar, it will excrete it through urine, which can lead to increased thirst and frequent urination. Staying hydrated and monitoring your sugar intake can help manage this issue. Yeast infections and oral thrush. Yeast infections and oral thrush are fungal infections that can occur when there's an overgrowth of candida, a type of yeast. Excessive sugar intake can promote the growth of candida, leading to infections in areas with high sugar concentration, such as the mouth, vagina, or skin folds. Reducing your sugar consumption and maintaining good hygiene can help prevent these types of infections. Skin tags. Skin tags are small, harmless growths that can appear on the skin. Research suggests that high levels of insulin, which occurs when you consume too much sugar, may play a role in the development of skin tags. Insulin resistance and obesity, which can result from excessive sugar intake, are also associated with an increased risk of skin tags. Managing your sugar intake and maintaining a healthy lifestyle may help reduce the likelihood of skin tag formation. Hair loss. Hair loss can be a sign of nutritional deficiencies, and high sugar consumption can contribute to nutrient deficiencies by interfering with the absorption of essential vitamins and minerals. Additionally, excessive sugar intake can lead to hormonal imbalances, including elevated insulin levels, which can affect hair growth. Reducing your sugar intake and consuming a balanced diet rich in biotin, iron, and zinc may support healthy hair growth. Craving sweets. When you crave sweets, it means your body is craving sugar. Intense sugar cravings can be a sign that your body is used to high levels of sugar and is seeking another sugar fix. These cravings can be triggered by hormonal changes, stress, or simply being in the presence of sugary foods. To overcome cravings, it's important to find alternative healthy snacks. Stay hydrated, and monitor your stress levels. Unexplained weight gain. Unexplained weight gain can be a sign of excessive sugar intake. Consuming too much sugar can lead to a calorie surplus, causing your body to store excess energy as fat. Additionally, high sugar levels can contribute to insulin resistance, a condition where your body has difficulty regulating blood sugar, leading to weight gain. Reducing your sugar consumption and increasing physical activity may help achieve a healthy weight. Mood swings and irritability. Mood swings and irritability can be signs of blood sugar fluctuations. When you consume a lot of sugar, your blood sugar levels can rise rapidly, followed by sudden drops. These fluctuations can affect your mood, making you feel irritable, anxious, or depressed. To stabilize your mood, it's important to maintain consistent blood sugar levels by consuming a balanced diet rich in complex carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. To reduce your sugar intake, start by reading food labels, cutting out sugary drinks, choosing whole fruits over processed ones, and being mindful of portion sizes. You can also try natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol in moderation. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs and help you develop a sustainable plan for reducing sugar intake. Thank you for watching and subscribing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Stay healthy and take care.